Okay, it's Wednesday, July 22nd. I'm over here at my neighbor, Chicken George, back on his creek. Thought I'd do a little sifting this morning before I got home, mowed the yard and everything. But I don't know, I've been here 10-15 minutes. Let me turn it around. And I mean, it ain't nothing to write home about, but broke. One of these days I'm gonna find a whole one. Anyway, I'll stay at it. Okay, it's still Wednesday, the 22nd. No joke, the very next sifter full. Let's see, where'd I put it? I left it laying. Here it is. I'm talking the next sifter full. I should have left the camera on. I found this broke. And everything I have found over here has been just paper thin. I think this is the 5th point or piece of point I found. And anyway, all right, we'll stay at it. Okay, it's been about an hour, 45 minutes, I think. Yeah, about 45. But you can see that gravel bar. What I've been doing is taking that first 4 or 5 inches of just gravel, overburden. And what I want to do now is start taking this sand down to about the clay base. It's not that far. But anyway, I was just working right in here. And anyway, I just pulled this out, my sifter. And this thing is so fragile. I don't know how it's made it this long. I mean, beautiful piece. I believe I'm going to quit on this one and go home. I'll put them all together and call it a day. Okay. I'll call it a day. Found these 4 pieces. Oh, I didn't video that one, but that there's definitely that's a stem base. Alright, anybody's watching, I appreciate it. That's it for today.